Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make pronouns visible only to followers on Instagram. By default, your Instagram pronouns are visible to all users, but you may change settings and allow only your followers to see them. Follow these steps and you'll find out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and hit the Edit Profile button. Click on the Pronouns section. Now toggle the slider to the right side next to the Show to Followers Only option. Then tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner of the screen. Press on the checkmark icon once again. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make pronouns visible only to followers on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.